But this time around, I wasn't going to pass. I needed to get my hands on these, and I was successful. And, on to the next shoe, man. But before we do that, man, it's time for me to rate this shoe, man. And out of 5 pennies, I'm definitely going to have to give these joints. Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck. And today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about the LeBron 7 All-Star shoe, which I was able to get my hands on today, which is February 8th. I know there was a lot of miscommunication between the release date. Some sites said the 8th, some sites said the 12th, but I was able to secure a pair today. Shout out to my man Brian, and I was able to get a pair from Foot Locker, man. But before we get into the shoe, I'm definitely going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And also leave a comment if you want to talk about the shoe or anything else that has anything to do with Penny for Your Thoughts. And since we're talking about Penny for Your Thoughts, the brand, don't forget to visit our website at p4yt2016.com. Let me say that one more time, p4yt2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. LeBron 7's All-Star retro shoe. Let's get straight into it. On the toe box here, you have like blue leather with the purple 3M going around the whole shoe. The 3M is like in the design of a gym floor with the lines going through it. You have a blue leather here on the tip, pretty much going around the whole outline of the shoe. And the inside here, you have black fly wire with a black swoosh. You have the LeBron logo here with the silver, with the blue right here. Let's come over to the tongue. You have a black mesh tongue. On the left foot, it says 2010. On the right foot, it says All-Star, of course. The laces are black wax laces. They also come with the same color blue wax laces also. Come up here on the upper tongue, you have more leather with the 3M. And then you have the LeBron, old school LeBron logo. I don't know if you guys can see that in black with the fly wire behind it. Come over to the back panel, of course. You got a little lever right here also. Then you got more of the 3M, purple 3M with the lever right here. Got the LeBron logo on the inside with the fly wire back. Got a pad level swoosh here. And then in the inside of here, you have black fly wire right here on the inside, man. And this is one of my favorite shoes of all time, man. The LeBron 7, man, he has so many classic colors in the LeBron 7s, and he has like colors that came out, and then he has colors that didn't come out. This is one of the colors that did come out, but the joints that I'm hearing that's coming out after these never came out, man. There's a lot of friends and families and like real exclusive releases and things like that, man. And even the Fairfaxes was released for the high school or whatever. They never really hit retail or anything like that, man. But these are clean, and this is really the only All-Star shoe I wanted this year for 2020. I didn't want any of the other shoes. I'm good on any of that other stuff. I don't need those ones. I don't need those 3s. I don't need the LeBron, the new LeBrons. I don't need the KD. I don't need the Kyrie. I don't need the Paul George. I don't need any of that, man. This is what I wanted, and I was able to get it today. I know they have a release date on the sneakers app for February 12th, so if you wasn't able to secure a pair today, you should be able to get a pair February 12th on the sneakers app, and where they're going to release pretty much everywhere else, man. But these are clean. I can't wait to pull these out. I cannot wait to pull these out. I'm going to do some things to these, man. I got an idea and had it ready for the summertime. I'm going to pull them out nice day, you know what I'm saying, on some chill. Pull them out, get a nice wear in there, man. You got the blue airbag going around the whole shoe, which makes the LeBron 7 one of the most comfortable shoes in his collection and probably of all time, man. At the time when these shoes were coming out, like I mentioned before in some of my other LeBron 7 videos, there wasn't many, full airbag shoes and with the fly wire going around it. So really good shoe, man. I remember watching the All-Star game when LeBron was playing in these. I passed on them the first time because I also have the All-Star LeBron 6s, and they kind of like the same bluish colors and everything, so I kind of passed. But this time around, I wasn't going to pass. I needed to get my hands on these, and I was successful. And, on to the next shoe, man. But before we do that, man, it's time for me to rate this shoe, man. And out of 5 pennies, I'm definitely going to have to give these joints, man, 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. Can't go wrong with this shoe. If you want to get the looks, you know, your crazy looks when you wearing your shoes and people looking and they, oh, what are those? Or what are those? Like, this is one of them right here that'll do it for you right here, man. If you're able to get your hands on a pair of these, I say snatch them up, man. 4.5 out of 5 pennies. Let me know what you think. If you guys disagree and y'all think I gave a too high of a rating, man, let me know. Leave in the comments below. We can talk about it. Answer all comments, man. And check out some of the old videos that we have up there also too, man. Like a lot of sneaker videos I've been putting up, man. A lot of views. I want to thank y'all for viewing the videos, and also subscribing to the channel and giving us thumbs up or even thumbs down if you got something, you know, something to say and it doesn't go with what I'm saying. I'm not gonna like go back and forth with you about it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's entitled to their own opinion, man. That's why you buy what you like and don't buy into the hype. And with that being said, we keeping the 100 and not a penny less. Peace.